In this video, I am going to introduce you to this new research which is called as chain of code or CORD for short. This chain of code significantly enhances language models' reasoning capabilities by integrating code emulation and achieving a notable 12% improvement in performance over previous methods. The thing with the traditional method is that traditional large language models face challenges in accurately processing complex logic and linguistic tasks, especially when these tasks require understanding and manipulating code like structures. If you read this abstract and then the subsequent method or paper by clicking on this download PDF on the right, then you will know that when they propose this chain of code or COC, which is a simple yet effective extension that improves LM code driven reasoning. This code addresses this by allowing large language models to format tasks as pseudocode, which is then interpreted by a specialized emulator. Let me also show you their paper where they have given this example. On the left hand side it is just chain of thought, but on the right hand side there is an improved method which is called as chain of code. So the question was, how many countries have I been to? I have been to Mumbai, London, Washington, Grand Canyon, and then it goes on and on. Now the chain of thought dissects it step by step and thinks over it, and then it groups over the countries and count. Whereas India, Mumbai, that okay, if you have been to Mumbai, it means it is in India. If you have been to London, it means you have been to UK and so on. Whereas for chain of code, what it does is it simply places it as places and countries, creates an list of it, and then goes into loop and get the country out of it. This is a more speedy, and it is more efficient too in terms of performance, because it addresses this by allowing language models to format tasks at pseudocode, which is then interpreted by a specialized emulator, as I mentioned earlier, which is called as LM emulator, and that effectively simulates code execution, providing a more robust reasoning framework for language models. The effectiveness of this new model is demonstrated through its performance on the Big Bench Hard benchmark, where it achieves an 84% success rate, outperforming the previous chain of thought method by 12%. This showcases its ability to broaden the range of reasoning tasks language models can handle. So there is a lot of other examples and theoretical stuff in this one which you can read through. As you can see in this another example, it is quite interesting and seems quite promising too. So I would really urge you to read through it, and I'll drop the link in video's description too. I hope that you enjoyed it. Big shout out to all of these researchers who have done a fabulous work. If you have any questions, please share it in the comment. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.